Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode or apps in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. If you want to turn on dark mode or apps, then simply press and hold on any app and then click on edit home screen. And on top you can see the option edit. Click on edit and then click on customize, and here you can see the option dark. Click on dark. Your dark mode will be turned on. The another way to turn on dark mode is swipe down to control center and press and hold on brightness center, and here you can see the option dark mode. Click on dark mode. Your dark mode will be turned on. So this is the way to turn on dark mode in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.